Hello guys, how are you all doing? My name is Henry. So the first important point you need to know is to be very careful with the website where you are going to buy the Z-Power generator. Because today this product is only sold on the official website. Unfortunately, many people have been scammed by buying from fake websites or unauthorized sellers. To help you avoid this problem, I have left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. Now let's talk about what the Z-Power generator actually is. Basically, the Z-Power generator is a digital program that provides step-by-step instructions on how to build a small power generator at home using simple materials. Inside the program, you will find detailed blueprints, illustrated instructions, and a complete materials list that explains how to assemble the generator. According to the creators, the system works using a spinning mechanism with wheels, belts, and other components that can generate electricity and reduce your electricity bills. The idea behind this system is that with around $97 in materials, you can build a generator that helps power basic household appliances and reduce your dependency on electric companies. Another thing that many people like about the Z-Power generator is that the guide is designed to be simple and beginner-friendly. Even if you don't have technical experience, the instructions are supposed to be easy to follow. But now let's talk about something very important. You should understand that this product is not a physical generator that will be delivered to your house. It is a digital guide that teaches you how to build a generator yourself. So your results will depend on how you build the system and the materials you use. Another positive point is that the product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try the program, and if you are not satisfied, you can request a full refund. However, as with any online product, it is always important to keep realistic expectations. So in my opinion, the Z-Power generator can be interesting for people who like the projects and want to learn about alternative energy ideas. But again, make sure you only purchase it from the official website to avoid scams. If you want to check the official page and see more details about the program, the link is in the description below this video. I hope this review helped you understand how the Z-Power generator works. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.